Hello friends, welcome to Flavors and Knowledge, where we step into the wonders of the culinary world to expand your culinary repertoire. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza. In this episode, we'll be delving into the intricacies of consommé, a classic and sophisticated soup that has been tantalizing palates for centuries. And so join me for a few minutes as we unravel the secrets behind this refined liquid gem, as you wish. Consommé is a luxurious, flavorful, and impeccably clarified soup reminiscent of a glistening crystal. It is regarded by prominent chefs as the crowning jewel of soups, and with good reasons. The clarity of consommé is achieved through a meticulous process known as clarification. To create a consommé, a rich and a savory stock serves as the foundation. This stock combines various ingredients, including mirepoix, egg whites, and sometimes ground meat. As the consommé simmers, the egg whites and proteins and the ingredients combine to form a raft on the surface of the stock, purifying the liquid and filtering out all the impurities that develops. And while the classic consommé is typically made using meat or poultry stocks, there are a plethora of variations to explore. Vegetable consommé is a lighter and a more refreshing option, while seafood consommé offers a taste of the ocean essence. Consommé can be savored independently or used as a base for more elaborate dishes, and when presenting it, it is usually served in delicate translucent cups or bowls to showcase its pristine clarity. Creating this exquisite work of art requires time and precision, but the results are undoubtedly worth it. You start by ensuring your stock is rich in flavor and you do not rush the clarification process. Patience is critical to achieving the brilliant clarity that consommé is known for. And so, dear friends, on your next kitchen task, experiment with different ingredients, fresh herbs, and global seasonings to create unique variation of this exquisite broth or soup. And that is all for this episode on consommé. Thanks for joining me on this tantalizing exploration of the world of consommé. Keep your taste buds curious and your culinary adventures simmering. Eat safe and stay well. Ciao, ciao.